Hello, this is Gwen, and we're back on Animal Jam. So, yeah, back on Animal Jam. Animal Jam. Animal Jam. What am I saying? And I changed my character. So, yeah, I changed my character, so I'm going to show you it. Well, not my character, like only the look of my character. So, and I made it a cookie wolf. And for me right now, that's really loud. Okay, so this is, I tried to make like a cookie wolf, chocolate chip cookie one. And I thought I would add the beanie on it. So yeah, I did that. So let's get playing. And I want to add one of the earrings on. One of the earrings. So let me see at the earrings. At my earrings. Do I like this size earrings or this size earrings? I like that size earrings. Pretty. I don't like the flip flops. I don't really like the flip flops. Oh my goddess. Let's go to somebody's den. Let's go to his den. Den, not gem. Good thing his den is not locked. And there's literally nothing in there. Really, I hate this person. I got into my den. Da, da, da. Oh, how are my plushies over here? Good guys. Okay. I'm gonna go into here. I'll go to Crystal Sands, my favorite place. Go to people's den. Go to people's den. Who will be volunteered to go to their den? How about, oh. Your den is locked. How dare you? What about you over here? Your den is locked. You. I can go to your den. I can go to your den. I can go to your den. Whoa. Look at this. Wait. Is that a bunk bed I see? Bunk bed? Why is there a couch outside? 2 couches outside. Whoa, I like that table. Oh my gosh. Seriously, door? I hate you. Oh, I love that little lamp, a treasure chest. A fox lamp. Oh, a moon couch. Oh, I love that couch. I love this couch. Oh, I love everything. What's up? Oh, a little train. See, a painting board. A laptop. A banana chair. Oh my goodness, I love this tin. I wish I was that person. Okay, let's go to somebody else's den. Let's go to you. Okay, this one. See who's here. Okay. I don't really want to go to your den. I want to go to yours. Go to your den. I think your den will be cool. Oh, a little plushie. A little plushie. A little plushie. A little plushie. So many plushies. Clever fox. Hi. I love this. many plushies. Look at the inside. Oh my goodness, I love this place. I love this place so much. I won't come back. If I did. No. Where is he? Oh. I like your. So I'll see you later. Bye.